Okay, so that was the first one. Now let's do the identity for sine of x minus sine of y, which will be using the same one. So it'll be the sine of x is equal to sine of x plus y over 2 cosine of x minus y over 2 plus cosine x plus y over 2 sine x minus y over 2, and then sine of y is the same thing except this is a minus. So we're going to subtract this, make it sine x minus sine y, so this will become a negative, this becomes a negative, and this becomes a positive. So when we add these two are going to cancel, and we'll have sine of x minus sine of y equals 2 cosine of x plus y over 2 sine of x minus y over 2. All right, so then the last two in this lesson are dealing with the bottom equations. If you look on page 572, so that was cosine of a plus b and cosine of a minus b. I'll write them out in their usual form to start with. Cosine a, cosine b, minus sine a, sine b. And this one, cosine a, cosine b, plus sine a, sine b. And remember, the same thing applies that we did a little while ago. This becomes an x, this becomes a y, this becomes x plus y over 2, x minus y over 2, x plus y over 2, x minus y over 2, x plus y over 2, x minus y over 2, and x minus y over 2. So the first one they're asking us to find is cosine of x plus y. So we're simply going to add these in the format that they're in, and these two will cancel. So we'll get 2 cosine x plus y over 2 cosine x minus y over 2. And then the last one is asking us to find cosine of x minus y. So it'll be cosine of x equals cosine x plus y over 2 cosine x minus y over 2 minus sine x plus y over 2 sine x minus y over 2, and cosine of y is same thing, except this is a plus. So if we're going to have cosine x minus cosine y, this becomes a negative, this becomes a negative, and this becomes a negative. So now these two cancel, and we get cosine of x minus cosine of y equals, now there's two of these and they're both negative, so it's negative 2 sine x plus y over 2 sine x minus y over 2. And that's it.